I'm going to show you how to send Windows keys in Parsec. So first you want to open up Parsec, go to the settings, and from here scroll down and find immersive mode and make sure it's set to both the keyboard and the mouse. Now you can go back and try to reconnect to the session, and while you're connected in a session you can hold down Control Alt and then press M, and that should toggle the keyboard capture. If it's not working properly you can try to press that, and after you press it you can simply hold down the Windows key and press any combination, and that should basically send the Windows keys to the host or the other session. And if you still can't do it, make sure to click on the connected client here if you're a host, and make sure the keyboard permissions are granted. If it shows a X mark like this, it means they cannot use the keyboard. So make sure to click on it to be a check mark like this, and the keyboard is white, the icon here. If it's gray, it's disabled. Make sure it's enabled, and that should allow you to use key combinations including Windows keys. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.